Okay, so here we are asked to convert a base 10 number into base 12. So we have our number 1,277, but let's run some powers of 12 out. 12 to the 0 is 1, 12 to the first is 12, 12 squared is 144, and that's all I know. So 12 to the third, oh yeah, that's going to get too big, isn't it? 12 to the third is 1728. So anything bigger than our number here, we don't want to use that one. Okay, so this is again, it feels like long division, but it's just got a little bit of a different setup. So we're going to start with the 144. Now, this one's not as easy to do in our head, so let's do our 1277 divided by 144. And I'm just going to pay attention to the 8 there, okay? I know it's 8 and some change, but we're only interested in the 8. So when we do an 8 times 144, okay, I'm doing 8 times 144, I get a 1152, and that's what I need to subtract. All right, so 1277 minus 1152, I'm going to get 125. And we go again. So I've used the 144. This time I'm going to use the 12. So 125 divided by 12 is going to be 10-ish something. I'm going to use the 10. 10 times 12 is going to be 120. And I'm going to subtract and get my next number. So 125 minus 120 is 5. I've used the 12. Now I get to use the 1. 1 goes into 5. 5 times, I get 5, I subtract it, I get 0. Okay, so we're done with that part, but now we have to figure out what our actual number is here. So we've got 1277, which is in base 10, and it's going to be equal to 8. Oh, I can't use 10. Okay, so the base 12 digits, remember, are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these things, 6, 7, 8, 9. They do not have a base 10, so they use that letter T, and then they use that letter E, right? So instead of 10, I'm going to use the T letter, and then I can use my 5. So 8T5, base 12.